Hey, how's it going? This is Omega for the Razor Company, and today is another shave. For today's shave, I decided to pull out Declaration Grooming Delta 5. It's a very clean scent. This one has bison tallow. It's very interesting. It's a very bright and clean scent with the matching splash, obviously. For the razor, today I'm going with the TRC level 2 stainless steel with a Gillette silver blue and the brush. I'm going with the Oumo Warhammer shape. Beautiful brush. Look at the leather, that creamy leather. I used one of my cadrons. This is the copper ore. And let's get ready to the shave. Let's get the face wet. Let's start painting. This is a badger, not very soft and dense, very cushiony. Usually when I use a natural brush, not like badger, I overload because they tend to require more soap because they are so dense and they retain a lot of water. If you're used to the synthetics, they require less soap to make a good leather. But badger, at least in my experience, it requires more. But they are good, very soft, pillowy. Look at that. Yeah, this is already ready. Let me get the razor wet. Let's see how it goes. Level 2 is like a medium aggressive razor. Have some good weight to it. Watch the pressure. You don't need much really. Just keep it on the skin. Very good. Especially with the Gillette Silver Blues. I'm becoming a fan of this blade. Very smooth and consistent blade. Very nice. And today in Florida, it's not that cold. It's a beautiful morning. It's on the weekend still. So I don't have really much plans for today other than relax and get ready for the week. Let's go for a second pass. Very creamy leather. Very clean scent. Really nice. Good efficiency on the razor. Wash out the lip. Very nice. Very nice bath. Hopefully I don't go overboard in the lid. And these Gillette Silverfish are really small. I'm really liking them. Let me add a little bit of water to the soup for the lentils. Work it a little bit. Get the lather wet again. Beautiful. Look at that. Holy mother. Very nice, very nice. Very good. Excuse me. Still recovering from the cold. Sorry, my apologies. Should be good. Very nice going across the grain. In the neck. Right. Now let's check if I need any cleanup or something. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Now for the cleanup. Trusty microfiber towel. Very nice. Good residual thickness. Very good. Time for the splash. Check it. Now let's see what tail does the splash says. No burn. That's good, no burn. Get a little bit of the citrus. It's a very nice, clean scent. Very nice. That was great. Now, if you have any doubts or any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments down below. And remember, for all your shaving needs, check the TRC website. You can find pretty much anything there. Thank you for accompanying me on this shave, and I'll see you on the next shave. Have a good one.